Hello, welcome to your week 2 weekend 2 video. I hope that you've all had a great first week or second week back at school. I know it was pretty hectic here for me, but we made it through, so that's a good thing. I also hope that you have had some time to relax this weekend with your friends or your family and that you are refreshed to move into next week. I have enjoyed reading the CDP post for those of you that have turned them in already, and I look forward to reading the rest of them when they come through. As you look on Blackboard for week 2, please see the 2 additions to the week, which are your weekend 2 lesson plan and the new exemplars that Dr. Putnam has given us. The new exemplars are following the current rubrics, and she wants you to be aware that they are very good content-wise. There are some APA errors in all of the exemplars, so please use them for content only, and we will continue to work through APA as a group this semester. Also, if you're looking at your week 2 Gardner-Webb Blackboard, you will see that there are text readings due this week. If you remember, we talked about in class that you would have them read before Friday's class. So please make sure that you have chapter 2 in the Holland Horde text read, part 1 in the Graham and Ferreter text read, and chapters 5 through 9 in the Ainsworth text read. They will come in handy as we go through our discussion board posts in class. You will also see on the due dates that all discussion board posts will be completed in class this weekend. We will work on the Holland Horde post on Saturday, the CDPA post on Friday night, and the PLCP post on Saturday. We will also take some time on Friday to do the looking ahead post, which is about sociograms, which will come up later in your Holland Horde text. If then you click on the weekend 2 lesson plan, you will be able to see what I have planned for the weekend. We have some new resources to go over on Blackboard, and we do have an evidence log that we are going to talk about. I have a couple of APA tips for you based on just preliminary CDP posts. We will look at sociograms, and then I will give you some evidence work time with your CDPA specifically, but I will be glad to answer any evidence questions that have come up to this point. Then on September 8th, which is Crystal's birthday, yay, we will have our dissertation by Emily Robertson, and we will allow some Q&A after the defense, so you may want to bring some note-taking materials so you can take notes while she's presenting, and then you can ask them after she is done defending. I scheduled an hour-long lunch. Obviously, we can play around with that time. If we have less time for lunch, we can take that time off of the class somewhere along the way. We will look at our PLCP resource folder, and I will also share some of my favorite protocols with you so that you might want to use them in your PLCP evidence. And then we will work on our PE and kind of getting some things in place for your PEC from your PEB and A. So all that said, please make sure that you bring your Holland Horde, Ainsworth, and Graham and Ferreter text with you to class. And also make sure that you have your PEB and access to your CNA A and CNA B, because you will want them as you're working on your other evidences. I think that's all for me. As always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to email or text me with questions, and I look forward to seeing all of you at 6 o'clock on Friday night. Oh, and we will be in Craig 214 the rest of the semester, so that is where we will have class. See you then.